So I have been very curious about saging my house, and I purchased a little sage kit from Amazon. It comes with 2 bunches of sage, 3 Palo Santo sticks, a feather, an instruction guide, and some crystals. And I will put the link to this item in the description of the video in case you guys want to check it out. But yeah. I release all energy that no longer serves me. Cleanse this space. Remove the past. Fill this space with joy, love, and light. I honor the circle of life and the 4 directions. Bring me wisdom and growth. Regenerate and transform me and my space. Bring clarity and cleansing energy. Purify my emotions and guide my transformation. I am grateful for health, abundance, love, and happiness. Bring strength and peace. So sometimes in the evenings, I like to try to burn a little bit of sage when puppies aren't in here interrupting me. But basically, I will sit on the floor and I will burn some sage and I will say some prayers, and it helps me to wind down for the night when Tiki isn't in here making all this noise with her damn toy. So I got this sage kit from Amazon. It came with the sage, this cool little seashell bowl type stand deal. And it sits in this little stand, which I think is pretty cool. It also came with a couple of Palo Santo sticks and a little instruction guide. A little cleansing guide. It gives you like what the instructions on what to do, and then it also comes with a blessing, which I think is really cool in case you are just starting out like myself and you don't necessarily know what to say. But I think it's a really, really cool little kit. I will put the link to it in the description. And yeah, I'll let y'all know how it affects my mental health to see if it's really helping down the line, if the meditation and quieting of my mind is working in terms of helping me to center myself. Because basically that's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to center myself so that my mind can be more at peace and I can be more focused. And I'm probably going to kick Tiki out. Look at her. Why are you in here making so much noise? All right, I'll see you guys in the next video.